Don't break the heart that loves you so.
Don't break the heart that loves you. Handle it with care. Don't break the heart that needs you. Darling, please be fair. Why do you flirt and constantly hurt me? Why do you treat our love so carelessly? You know I'm jealous of you, and yet you seem to try to go out of your way to be unkind. Sweetheart, I'm begging of you, don't break this heart that loves you. Don't break this heart of mine. Darling, don't break the heart that loves you. Don't break the heart that needs you. And remember, love is life's greatest joy.